So on the rails, that's the rail profile. The clamp's actually just going like so. And just jiggle it, push it in. And as it tightens, that pin there goes down and actually spreads those two apart so that it's impossible to come out. So that's the end clamp right here. It's like an L. And this is the mid clamp, which is like a T. All right, now we're gonna connect the last panel in this row of 8. And we're just gonna do the electrical connections next. So we've got the other panels connector here. This is our return line. We're gonna do the positive first. Wrap it around here a few times. Oh, it's hard to do one-handed. There we go. There we go. There's that connection. Oh, there's our last connection there. I just got to lay the panel down and screw it on. It's all wired in. And we're going to just use our foot to push that up. I got this guy. And this guy. And we got the ends here. See how this seats right flush with there.